Hey guys, what's up? And I'm back with some more Samsung news regarding the Galaxy Note 20. So we already know that the Galaxy Note 20 will have the same camera setup like that on the Galaxy S20 series, but there is a twist. According to a report by the Korean website LAKEY, Samsung is considering removing the time-of-flight sensor from the Galaxy Note 20. For those who don't know, a time-of-flight sensor is a 3D depth camera used to measure depth and distance. Basically, it measures distance by using the known speed of light and measuring the time it takes for a beam of light to return to the camera sensor. The uses are in features such as live focus in videos and portrait shots as well as AR related stuff. But since Samsung is considering its removal, it more or less indicates that people aren't using these features a lot. On the other hand, portrait shots and live focus videos can be easily achieved with software, which they already do on other devices which don't have a time-of-flight sensor, indicating that it isn't a necessity. What I think is most of the smartphone companies just include it to increase the camera count on their smartphones, which helps in marketing. Whether it will make it to the Note 20 or not is still not confirmed, but as soon as it is, I will let you guys know. Also tell me your opinion about a time-of-flight sensor. Do you care about this camera or is it just a gimmick to you? Moving on, the folks over at Galaxy Club report that the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will be available in a 4G LTE variant, just like the Galaxy S20 series in Europe. The prices for 5G variants of the Galaxy S20 have been on the higher side, with the Galaxy S20 5G starting at $1,400 US. So this makes sense that Samsung would still want to sell cheaper 4G phones in markets where 5G isn't present. Also, we might see a new color option on the Galaxy S20 5G. This comes from EveLeaks, a trusted leaker. This will be available through Verizon. The Galaxy S20 only supports sub-6 GHz 5G and not millimeter wave like the other siblings, and hence it was not available on the carrier from the launch. The phone will be available in Cloud White, giving users more choice. If you remember, the phone was launched with 3 color options: Cosmic Grey, Cloud Blue and Cloud Pink. Hopefully this color will make its way to other markets as well. That's it for this video. Do let me know what are your opinions on a time-of-flight sensor. Don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.